Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a little bit of welding. Gotta redo some welding right here. I got this too close on this back side. I need to trim it back here. So I had it a little bit too tight, and when the ram was up really high when I was putting the body on the other day, it cracked the weld. So I need to cut this off back here on both sides, then weld it back up, then leave a bigger bead on there. This was a little bit too tight when this ram got up to the very top. It started pushing these apart. I'm like, I wonder why I heard something crack. So have to cut this, re-weld it. Then I got some sheet metal over here for some 18 gauge. Got some pieces to just do some practice on before I start back on the body and start doing some. Before I start doing this stuff back up, might as well do some practice on some stuff that's not on the body. So I got a brand new welder, so give that a shot out, see how that goes. Since it's only on 110, just got it on 10 and then just have it on the synergistic MIG and see how that does. There we go. I'll cook it for 5. That thing really does good on synergistic mode. And a nice perfect bead for how thin metal this is. Well, I guess I think that's good enough to tack the body back together. So I guess we can start cutting on this panel over here and get going on that.